Children, today we will study about our teeth because teeth are very important parts of our body. It they work mainly two types. The first one, they give the shape of our face and makes our face beautiful. And the other one is they chew, cut and grind the food whatever we eat. So scientists divided it into four groups. The first one is molar, sorry, incisor. Second is canines. Third is premolars, and fourth is molars. Understand? So, firstly, we will talk about the incisor. Incisors are the front four teeth. You are seeing the front four teeth, these four. Understand? One, two, three, and four. These four. First in lower jaw, and fourth in upper jaw, means 4 plus 4, that equals to 8. So these cut the, when when we eat something, so it cuts the bite. When we eat the bread, sandwich, burger, they cut the bite. So these are they work to cutting and biting the teeth. Next to both side, left and right, there are one pointed, sharp pointed teeth. In the carnivorous animals like lion, tiger, they have the long pointed canines. But we have also, but not so very long, but have pointed. There two in the lower jaw and two in upper jaw. So 2 plus 2 equals to, these have 4. So they pierce and tear the food, means they फाड़ते और चीरते हैं इस फूड को. Like when we eat the sugar cane, then they tear off their stem. And next to them, number C, this one and this one, they are the premolars. They grind and chew the food. When we take the bite, then they start grinding the food. They just make it small, simpler and smaller form. And last, grinding teeth present only in adult. These will grow not in child. These 3 plus 3, and these are 2 plus 2, 2 to 4, 4 in lower jaw, premolars, and 4 in upper jaw, that equals to 8. And molars, 6 in lower jaw and 6 in upper jaw, that is 12. So add them, 12, 8, 20, 28, 28, and 4 total. So there are 32 teeth in each adult, but not in children. Tooth decay, this is the next heading. Tooth decay means falling down of teeth. How our teeth damage are gradual. This is the definition of tooth decay. The gradual means continuous, slowly. Damage of teeth is often called tooth decay because not everything damage once. They damage slowly and slowly. The main cause of tooth decay is the presence of bacteria. Bacteria are very tiny uh, creatures. They can't see with our naked eyes. We can see with the help of microscope or the electron microscope. So why does bacteria grow in our body? Because we do not keep our mouth and teeth clean. We didn't never we don't clean our mouth and teeth cleanly. Don't brush twice after the meal, and before sleeping it is compulsory to brush your teeth. Otherwise, whatever you eat as a dinner, that will, some part of that dinner will be stuck in your teeth, and that will decay and damage in whole night, and your mouth start smelling other smell. Any leftover remaining part of food present inside our body, inside our teeth, breaking down such bacteria, means whatever we eat, if it is stuck in our teeth, then bacteria will born there. As a result, an acid is released. Whatever we eat, either there inside that there are acids, there are minerals, there are So that acid is released which damages the teeth slowly. For the our teeth will start showing the yellow color. That means there are some problem is starting in our teeth. And tooth decay can cause severe pain and even toothless. Firstly, it will start paining, means you will get a great pain in your teeth. And lastly, toothless means your teeth will decay, your teeth will go fall down. Tooth decay is caused mainly because of eating food with high sugar, no? Content, soft drinks like cold drink, very cold water, and lot of too much chocolates. Understand? So avoid these things. And now, how can we save our teeth? So there are three ways to save our teeth. Understand? The first one is clean your teeth with a brush or dental floss at least twice a day, morning and night. Night is also compulsory because after eating dinner, you will not take anything till at least 8 hours. So rinse means wash your mouth every mile you eat. Whenever you eat anything, just. And lastly, do not put a dirty finger or any unwashed food items in your mouth. There are some students and some children have the habit to put their any finger or the thumb in your mouth, and whatever they just eat and purchase and eat directly. Okay, so avoid these three things. So you will able to get a nice teeth and cure your teeth. So your homework question number one: how many kinds of teeth? Write their work also. Second, total number of teeth in an adult. Third, what is tooth decay? Name few material that caused our tooth decay. And last question, how can we prevent tooth decay? Understand? So these are the four questions you have to solve. Goodbye for today.